Hello and Jai Hind students. This is our third chapter for class 10th history, and the chapter is the making of a global world. In this chapter we will learn about the globalization and its impact, whatever happened by the globalizing world. So this there is a term given that pre-modern world. So it's mean that uh, we are going to talk about before 1800 century, and during 1800 century what happened in the globalization. Here is a term that what is globalization. Globalization is a type of industrialization to become take a specific growth in economical condition, in financial condition, in trade and business and productions. So it is known as globalization. The making of global world has a long history of trade, of migration, of people in search of work, the movement of capital, and much else. So, in the globalization, firstly, the trade become increases and people migrate for trade, for business, for different types of working opportunities, and in the search of work and job, and to improve their financial condition, people generally migrate from one place to another, which is related with trade and business, with industrialization. And in this trade there is a big movement happen of capital from one nation to another nation. So it is a type of movement, migration, and business. So if we find that which things were moved in the globalization, so we can say the capital, the labors, and the goods move from one place to another in the globalization. But in this term, not only certain goods, money, value, ideas, inventions were transferred from one place to another. However, germs and diseases were also transferred from one place to another. For more than a million, Gaudis use a form of currency. Gaudi is the currency of Maldives Islands. Uh, so, how long the trade is happening between two or more than two nations, there should be a transfer of capital also happen. In a long distance, there is a transfer of labor, goods happen for a long distance. If we go in more past, we saw that trade and business were also happening in our ancient time. If we read about Indus Valley civilization, we get the evidence of trade and business which were happened between India's region peoples to Europeans.